Hey there, Raiders. Here's how to refuel your Trampler in Sand Raiders of Sophie. The Trampler, being a giant battle mech, would of course require fuel. While it has a reactor, its energy isn't quite infinite. As you travel and raid across Sophie, your Trampler's fuel levels will eventually be consumed, as shown on this horizontal meter display. To refuel your Trampler, you need to make sure you've packed some energy rods before departing on your expedition. These rods come in different variants, and you'll usually find them in key locations around the map. They also have a high drop chance from ironclads. Now take an energy rod from your stash and place it in your inventory. Equip it by selecting it from your quick wheel. Then head to your Trampler's reactor, where you'll find a slot for inserting energy rods. Simply press F when you see the tooltip, and the energy rod will be loaded into the reactor, refueling your Trampler. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.